my name is Kelly and we're out here at Rock Springs Ranch in Central Oregon. This is a popular wedding venue and we're going to go ahead and show you how we hang string lighting for the weddings and events out here. With this setup, we're going to utilize our tank stands and we're going to utilize the sides of the building. We've added hooks and that's going to allow us to attach lights up there. And we're going to create a zigzag pattern of lighting. So to do this setup, we're going to use 2 tank stands. We have 78 feet of bistro lights. This is the light gauge string lighting that we like to use with the tank stands. We have our 2 poles, our slip covers, and then our zip ties, our nippers, and then these are the caps that go on the bottom of the poles so they don't mark up the deck. So we're going to go ahead and get started and show you how we do this. Okay, so first of all, we are just going to fill the tanks with water. We have caps for the tank. Once the tanks are filled, we're going to add the slip covers and the poles and then get to hanging the lights. I got one. So in this situation, we always have to utilize our power source. So it's right here in the corner. We plugged in our cord. We've just run it up and we've zip tied it up at the top of the gutter drain. And now we're going to go ahead and lay out the lights. To connect the lights to the extension cord, I like to tie it in a knot and then plug it in, and then I like to reinforce it with a zip tie. The tank has been filled, the slip cover has been added, the pole has been added with the little cap on the bottom of the pole so it doesn't scratch up the decking. And now we're going to go ahead and attach the lights from the pole up to the hook on the building, out to another pole, and then back to the final hook. We'll be done. So I hook the light into the carabiner, and then I gauge the height that I want and the droop that I want of the lighting, and then I use a zip tie to secure it in place. We've gotten to the last hook and we had an extra 6 or 7 feet. So what we do in this situation is we just remove the bulbs and we go ahead and we attach to our final source. Always double checking that the droop of the lights is matching across the whole design. And then we just take this extra and we just wrap it up like this. And we just zip tie it right up here. And it sits up here nicely out of the way.